FlyEnv brings Bun into the local development workspace. Open the Version tab to browse every available Bun build. The module lists Bun version 1.3.14, 1.2.23, 1.1.45, and 1.0.36. Choose a release and install it with one click. Download progress stays visible inside FlyEnv. Several Bun versions can live side by side. The Service tab shows the installed version and its path. Switching versions keeps the runtime under your control. FlyEnv opens a terminal with the selected Bun environment loaded. Run Bun-V to confirm the active version. The terminal also shows where that Bun binary is coming from. Environment variables are loaded automatically for the workspace. Bun Projects brings project-level configuration into FlyEnv. Add a project and choose its working directory. Give the project a name, then select its Bun version. Run settings let you define a command, a file, or a service. You can expose a project on a TCP port such as 3000. Save the project and keep multiple Bun versions in one list. A project can run as a Bun service when you need it to stay online. Return to the terminal and verify each project with Bun-V. FlyEnv loads the matching runtime whenever you enter a project. The same workspace can hold projects using different Bun releases. Project settings remain visible in the Bun Projects panel. Service projects show their command, version, and port together. The final terminal checks confirm the selected Bun environment. Bun stays ready locally, with each project using the version you chose.